Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to delete a Bluetooth device for your Honda radio system. This is a Honda Ridgeline, a 2019, but there's many models this will work on. So if you're going in and you're trying to connect your phone and you're getting this screen here where the add new device is grayed out, and then you go to connect audio device, and chances are there's 6 things already connected, and that's all Honda allows is 6 devices. So it's annoying because you try to go in here and add a new device, but you can't, and then none of these devices are yours, and you can't figure out how to delete a device. So what we're going to do is we're going to come back to the home screen here, and we are going to hit the phone icon up there. And it's going to ask you if you would like to connect a phone, and we would, but instead of hitting yes, we're going to hit no. And then from here, we're going to go to phone setup, and then we're going to hit Bluetooth setup. And now it's going to allow us to scroll down to delete a device. So I'm just going to select the first one, and would you like to delete iPhone 3? Yes. And we were able to delete the device. And now when we come back to add a new device, it's not grayed out anymore. So now we can go ahead in here and add a device. But yeah, it's really frustrating, and it's kind of tricky to get to, but that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys.